Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you see the message, press Ctrl+Alt+Delete to unlock on your Windows 10 lock screen and you want to turn it off, you're in the right place. This method also works on Windows 11, Windows 8, and Windows 7. Let's begin. First, press Ctrl+Alt+Delete and enter your password to sign in to Windows. Once you reach the desktop, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Now type secpol.msc and click OK. In the Local Security Policy window, click to expand Local Policies, then select Security Options. On the right side, scroll down and look for the option called Interactive Logon. Do not require Ctrl+Alt+Delete. Double-click on it to open the settings. Change the option to Enabled, then click Apply and click OK. That's it. The Ctrl+Alt+Delete requirement has now been disabled. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.